Okay, I'm going to try this carnivore uh, pancake recipe that I found online. Serious Keto is who shared it. I believe he shared the recipe for somebody else, though. But need to start off with a cup of pork rinds first. So I'm going to grind these up. If I can find my lid, here we go. And the food processor, you can buy your own, or however you want to do it. I just like using a food processor to break them up. You just want to get them, ground up pretty good. You can do it in a bag too with a rolling pin, or crush them up yourself. But it's so much easier in a food processor. Yeah, that's about 1 cup. I'm just gonna leave those in there. And to that, you want to add a 1/4 cup of sweetener, which I used. Here it is. Swerve eryrhritol. You can use whatever sweetener you like. You want to add a tablespoon of beef gelatin. I got that I believe I got it at Walmart. I was surprised by the the Jello mixes that they had it. This is grass-fed beef, but you want 1 tablespoon. Add that to it. And then you want a 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, which I don't know, how carnivore you want to go, but, some people are serious about it. So there's a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And that's your dry ingredients. You want to mix those together real quick. Don't need to do it that long. Oh, I forgot the cinnamon. You want a teaspoon of cinnamon. So let me get that here. Well, won't fit in there, so I got my bacon cooking to go with my pancakes. Oh, quiet, Paisley. Okay, so let me mix that up real quick. Okay, and to that you want to add 4 eggs, which are room temperature eggs. Mine, here you can see them over here. Mine sit out, at room temperature anyway. They're fresh yard eggs, which they, as long as you use them within, a month. Well, I use mine every week, so, but as long as you use them up pretty quick, you can leave them out at room temperature. Okay, and then you want to add a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay. These looked really good when he made them. It's hard to find a good carnivore pancake, out there. So what? Oh, vanilla. You want 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay. There we go. And you mix all that together real well. I'll have to scrape the sides here, I'm sure. Oh, it seems to be mixing up pretty well. You just want to combine them. You don't have to sit there and mix them all day. Just make sure it's mixed up real well. Let me check this with the spatula. There we go. Hold on a second. I'm going to check my recipe real quick. Be right back. Okay, you want to let that rest for a while. So 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, you get your griddle preheating. I got it set to 365 or medium. That would be medium high on your, I got my bacon ready for, I'm going to make eggs and that with it, of course, too. Have a breakfast, a carnivore breakfast, right? But I've already let this sit, so I'm going to go ahead and put these on the griddle. Where did I put? Somewhere. Yeah, I think it's down here. Yeah, here it is. Okay. I'm just going to lightly, with some olive oil cooking spray. I get this at Sam's. I don't know if that matters, but, just real quick here so you don't, so don't stick to your griddle. There we go. Get that out. I found my quarter cup measuring cup. Here it is. And my dogs are all wrestling. So I try pouring this by 1/4 cup. See how they look. Yeah, it's about the right size. I'll show these to you in just a second. They make a good sized pancake. Of course, I'm spilling stuff all over it. But, I don't know. Okay, then you let these, put your timer on for 4 minutes on each side. We'll come back and check them. I'll show you these here. Let's start. Put the start. There we go. Learn how to use this thing. Okay, that's how they look on the griddle. Once they start to bubble and the bubbles break, it's when you want to flip them. So I'm gonna wait 4 minutes and see what they look like. Some of these are already bubbling, but they need to bubble all over. We'll come back and look at that. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. As you can see, they're bubbling all over pretty good. Just flip one. Yeah, that may have been a little too long, but it's okay. Still look pretty good. They're not burnt, but just a little over. But that may be because it's made with pork rinds, and it's not like your traditional. Still, they look pretty good. I think I'll let these go for about 2 minutes on the other side. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Let me hit clear on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these on a plate. Now they look really good. They resemble pancakes, but I will give them a taste test here in a minute. Let you know how they are. Okay, I'm done with my bacon and eggs. I'm going to try these without any, because I don't have any sugar-free syrup, just with butter. Very good. You can taste the cinnamon and the vanilla. Tastes like, regular pancakes. So, okay, it's a good recipe. Hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and share if you did. Thank you.